Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is going to be on another J5Create item, the JVAW56 Screencast-o-matic Wireless Display. So here we have my assistant Fred with us again today. We're going to unbox the J5Create Screencast HDMI Wireless Display. And let's go ahead and open the box. And it's really not a lot to it. It's two cables. First we have the instruction manual and a product booklet, which we need to give to Fred to hold here. And we'll go over the instructions here shortly, but let's look at the item first. Okay, the item is basically, there's two items that come in at the screencast, which one end is an HDMI and an extension cord. So there's the HDMI end, there's the USB, and USB extension cord, and the other end goes into a regular USB for power. It plugs in and connects very simple. Once you get the screencast connected, here's the actual end result showing my phone casting to my external monitor. So anything that's on my phone will go on the monitor. It's a very simple item with a powerful usage. You turn your TV into a smart TV. You basically wireless display content from your mobile device, iPad, Android, iPhone, onto your high definition TV with no apps needed. So there's not a lot of bandwidth loss. You can cast and mirror, extend and share, experience the visual rush of HD video. It's supporting 1080p full HD video and HD audio. It has a dual band to ensure a stable connection. It's built-in dual band 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Connects to the internet through your wireless network for higher stability and smoother streaming. Works with various cast-compatible devices. With its support of multiple wireless device standards, Miracast, AirPlay, Chromecast, the screencast is compatible with devices and TVs you already own, including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and cast-compatible laptops, tablets, and mobile phones. Has native support for AirPlay, Miracast, and Chromecast or Google Cast. The wireless display content from your compatible device without connecting the screen to the internet. It's quick and easy setup. You plug the USB into the built-in USB port on your TV or a USB power adapter, which the extension cable is included. And you connect the other end of the HDMI into your TV. You can stream movies, shows, live TV, share photos and videos, listen to music, play games, demo apps and web, project presentations and documents. The physical specifications of it, the cord itself is 23.6 inches. Then the extension is the same, 23.6 inches. And like I said, one end has HDMI, the other end has regular USB, and then it comes with the extension cord. Setup is just as easy as connection. So once you connect the HDMI into the HDMI cord and then the power through either the USB into the TV or into the power brick, you'll have a screen set up that looks just like this, where you'll have your wireless internet setup. It says go to wireless internet settings and connect to your screencast. Once you connect, then the password is 1234567. Then you want to open your browser and go to, and it's on my case is http://192.168.203.1, or you can also scan the QR code. That's what I did. You then pick your wireless internet name, and then you can screencast. It's that simple. So that's my on another great J5Create product, the JVAW56 screencast HDMI wireless display device. It's very versatile. There's so many things you can do with this once you get it hooked up, and hookup is so simple. Just follow my instructions. It's very easy. It's basically a plug and play type situation. So that's my video. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.